Once upon a time, in a dense, green jungle, lived a small and shy ocelot named Ocelot. Ocelot was unlike any other animal in the jungle. He had a beautiful coat with spots like the stars in the night sky. One day, Ocelot felt a strange longing to explore the world beyond the jungle. He had never been beyond the trees and vines that he was used to. His heart pounded with excitement and fear, but he knew he had to find out what was beyond the jungle. With a deep breath, Ocelot stepped out of the jungle and into the unknown. He walked for hours, his tiny paws feeling the different textures of the ground. He saw many new things, like the tall grasslands and the wide, blue ocean. As he walked, he met a wise old tortoise. The tortoise asked, "Why are you leaving your home, little Ocelot?" Ocelot explained his desire to see the world. The tortoise smiled and said, "But remember, Ocelot, the world is big and scary. You must always be brave." Ocelot thanked the tortoise and continued his journey. He faced many challenges, like crossing a raging river and climbing a steep mountain. But Ocelot was determined and used his wit and courage to overcome them. One day, Ocelot came across a small village. The villagers welcomed him with open arms, impressed by his bravery. They told him stories and taught him about their customs. Ocelot was thrilled to learn and grow. But as the days passed, Ocelot missed the jungle. He missed the familiar sounds of the birds and the rustling of the leaves. He missed his friends and family. So, with a heavy heart, Ocelot decided to return home. On his way back, he met the wise old tortoise again. The tortoise asked, "Did you find what you were looking for, Ocelot?" Ocelot nodded, "Yes, I found a new world, but I also found that home is where the heart is." The tortoise smiled and said, "You've learned a valuable lesson, Ocelot. Always remember, it's good to explore, but never forget where you come from." Ocelot thanked the tortoise and returned to his jungle, his heart full of love and adventure. From that day forward, Ocelot was no longer shy. He shared his stories of the world beyond the jungle, inspiring other animals to be brave and curious. And every night, as he gazed at the stars, he knew that he had found his place in the world. The end.